Hello everyone, welcome to the webinar. Today we are going to discuss on an industry specific topic, that is auto parts industry. That means those who are dealing with the automobile materials, or you can say the machinery spare parts. So how Busy will help as a software will help to manage their inventories, and how efficiently they can maintain their accounts as well as the GST compliances. So we'll look on all the entire features as well as the reporting portion. Previously, we have done webinars on other industry specific topic, that was FMCG and pharma industries. So those who have missed it out, they can check it, or they can get the recording from our YouTube channel, that is Busy Accounting Software. So now on today's webinar, we are going to discuss on the auto spare parts industries. So we'll go through with the PPT one by one. First, if you are running an auto spare parts store industries, if you are facing any kind of problem, then we have a solution for that. Don't worry. So you can easily manage your billing, inventory, GST and other tasks through Busy software. Now, if we discuss on the other point, that is the challenges. What challenges you are facing, or what challenges should auto spare parts industries may face? First is to manage the fast billing system. So in Busy, we are giving a solution with the help of point of sale features, that is called pause. So in the sense, if you are basically want to do a fast billing in your counter or in your shop, then you can use this point of sale feature in Busy. So we are having this configuration features in Busy. So you can easily manage to do the fast billing of your invoices. Next challenges that mostly appear in the auto spare industries, that is the managing of brand and model wise inventory. So we are having a solution in Busy with the help of a parameterized feature in Busy. You can easily manage your brand and model of inventory. So you will get an option to maintain different brands and different model for a particular item. You can also manage to help or you can also maintain the brand and model wise your inventory stock in Busy. Third, how to manage serial number and warranty tracking of electrical parts. If you are dealing with an electrical parts, or if you are selling any electrical parts, then you need to manage certain serial number for that electrical items as well as the warranty also. So don't worry about that. We are having a solution in Busy also to manage it through serial number wise details. So in Busy, we are giving an option to maintain item serial number, through which you can easily track your warranty of your particular items along with the serial number. Next, how to calculate a mechanic wise commission. That means let's say, for example, if a mechanic refer any customer to your shop that you can buy this material from this ABC showroom or shop. So once any customer is coming at your shop, and he or she is giving the reference of that mechanic, so you can easily provide a certain commission to that mechanic, because you are selling that item to the customer on the behalf of that mechanic. So if you need to manage the commission of the mechanic, you can easily do it through Busy, through the concept called salesman wise commission reporting, as well as salesman wise reporting, which we can define as a mechanic wise reporting also. How to maintain a dealer and end customer wise pricing and discount. Now, in some cases, we find out that auto spare industries may need a certain pricing structure or a discount structure for each and every type of party. It may be a dealer, or it may be a wholesale, or it may be a retailer party. So if you need to manage certain discounting structure or pricing for different type of parties, then you can easily manage it, or you can easily do it in Busy through pricing structure, or you can say multi-pricing modules structure, which is available in Busy. Best solution for auto parts business or industries are this manage area wise dealer. That means if you need to manage certain customers or dealer with the area detail, that means you are having a list of customer with different areas. So if you need to figure out that which customer belongs to which area, so you can easily do it in Busy through area wise information in the account master or in the party masters. Quotation and order processing. If you are having any creditor party who may be providing you a quotation first, you are going to generate a sale quotation first, and then you want to convert that quotation in order, and then against order you want to provide a sale invoice, or you want to record a sale invoice against that particular order or sales order, then you can easily manage this cycle from Busy. Tracking of delivery challan. As I said, that if you are going to generate a sale quotation, and against that sale quotation you are going to generate an order, and if you need to pick that order in a challan before going to generate a final bill, you want to send the material through challan, then you can also do the delivery challan from Busy. Barcode and QR code management is also available, which is needed for the auto parts business industries. If they need to create their own barcode for their items, or if they need to manage a QR code in the invoices, so that the customer can scan the QR code and make the payment. So you can easily incorporate that QR code system in your invoice format, and you can also print your barcode for your items. User configurable invoice printing. So different industry or different company may have their different invoicing format. If you need to configure the invoice format according to their need or their requirement, so that is possible. So that kind of tool is available in Busy. You no need to use any third-party software. If you no need to use any kind of customization add-on to configure your invoice. It's inbuilt in Busy. You can easily configure your invoice format as per the customer need. Multi go down inventory. So you may be having this kind of needs for the inventory management, that you need to maintain go downs to manage your stock. So you can easily do that in Busy. You can create multiple go downs, multiple centers, and then you can easily transfer that material from one go down to another go down, and you can maintain the stock go down wise also. Advanced GST management. So in Busy, once you generate your invoice, your GST compliances will be completely done. You can easily upload the GSTR one in the portal directly from Busy. Also, you can easily manage to do the cross adjustment, the input output adjustment of GST, or the government payment of GST through journal. That can be done automatically through the GST summary report. You can get the return filing status option also, through which you can track that which supplier or which customer has filed the return or at what date. So from Busy, you can completely manage the entire GST along with the inventory and accounting features. Sharing invoice. So if you want to share your invoice through SMS, WhatsApp, email, while saving the transaction, a pop-up will appear that you want to send the invoice through email, WhatsApp, or SMS. You can easily do it from Busy. So there are having certain options to provide or to share the invoice in SMS or in email mode. Auto backup on Google Drive. So Busy is also giving an facilities to take your backup automatically, or your data backup automatically in the Google Drive. So you can set a timing against which the auto backup synchronization process will start, and the data backup will take place in the Google Drive. So if you are having any kind of issues in your system, then you can easily recover that data from Google Drive. Movement of inventory. Now, if you want to do the movement of inventory from one center to another center, from one go down to another go down, you can easily do it through stock transfer entry module. Dealer and item wise profitability report. So in the business, we need to figure out, or we need to get the entire scenario about the profit and loss of our product. If I am purchasing any product and if I am selling that product, I need to get an analysis report, or I need to get an clear picture of a particular item, whether I am getting the item in profit, or if I am selling the item in profit or in loss. So I will get the entire analysis report of profitability of item as well as dealer wise from Busy. Sales and purchase analysis with graphical mode. Now, if you need to see the scenario of your sales item wise, or it may be a party wise, it may be a quarterly scenario, it may be a monthly scenario. If you want to figure out the analysis report in a graphical mode, or you can say in a pie chart graph mode, that will help you to analyze that what item is going to be sale, on which month it is going to be sale higher, and on which month it is going to be sale lower. So you can get the graph of that sale of a particular item, or it may be a party wise, or it may be item wise in a quarterly basis or in a monthly basis also. So this best solution features and report, you can get it available in Busy for the auto parts business industry. Now let's see practically the entire features and the reportings that will help to easily manage the inventory for an auto parts business company. So let me move on to the software. First, I'll show how to maintain the point of billing system or the POS billing system. See, first, basically, if you need to enable this kind of pause system, then you can go to administration, configure, voucher series configuration. If you need to maintain pause for your particular series under sales, you can select that series. You go to voucher configurations, and here you will find this option called enable advanced pause data entry. So if you enable this, you will get an option to configure advanced pause. So what is pause? Pause is nothing, just a fast spelling concept where you can fix certain field that you can find out that these fields are common in every transaction. Like say you can fix the go down, you can fix the sale type. So here three kind of option is coming: fixed, variable, and semi-variable. If you click on this fixed, that means your cursor will not stop here and it will not allow to change the field. If you make it semi-variable, your cursor will not stop, but you can move backward and you can click over here to change the field. And in case of variable, your cursor will stop at that moment. Okay, so this is how you can configure your pause. You can configure the settlement detail. Maybe your customer may be paying in cash, card, or UPI, so you can enable the settlement detail also. Okay, so now if you enable this pause, and if I show you the pause screen, you can go to sale, you can press add button, you will find this pause screen in the sale module, where you can see my cursor is just coming on the party field, where I can change the party from cash to card also if I needed it. Okay, so mostly retail customer remain in cash or in card or in UPI. So by default, I have mentioned this party as cash party. Now here the mobile number, it's asking the mobile number. If I mention the mobile number, for example, automatically my party name address will reflect if that party has previously purchased from my showroom. So if the party has came another in the next day and is going to purchase another material from my showroom, once I put the mobile number of that party, the party detail will get reflect automatically in this billing detail. Okay, along with that, I can select the mechanic to whom I'm going to on the reference of whom I'm going to sell the product to the customer. So I can select the mechanic name also. If I select the item, I can select the item from here also, which item I'm going to sell, and here I will get the information of brand. Okay, so which brand for the item I'm going to sell. So you can use this brand, car name, or series or model through the parameter feature. Okay, so in auto spare parts industries, there may be many items, or there may be a few items where they need to manage certain brand or models for the particular item. So you can use the parameter features, which is available in business inventory features option. Let me show you the features first. So if you can get this inventory features called parameterized detail from the configuration button. You can enable these options called brand, car name, series, model, and you can predefine that. You can create your own brand names. You can create all the brand name. You can create all the car name. You can create all the series model that will come in the drop down list while doing the transactions. Okay, so let me show you from the purchase first. So if I'm going to do a purchase entry, let me show you from the list whether already I've done certain purchase entries with certain item. So for example, if I select any of the purchase entry, you can see that I've done a purchase entry with the item detail like 40 TH gear. If I press mention 20 piece, if I press enter, then this 20 piece I have mentioned different brand name. I got this brand name from the drop down list. I select the card name, I select the series, I mention the MRP, I mention the sale price, I mention the quantity. So total quantity is 20, but I am bifurcating this quantity on the basis of my brand, my series, as well as my card name. Okay, so for each and every item, this brand series box will appear if you have enabled these parameters in the item masters. So whenever you're going to create your item master, if you enable this parameter feature, then it will be applicable in your transaction, both in purchase as well as in sales also. So once you've done the purchase entry, once you pick the stock, or once you take the stock brand wise and model wise, then you can go to sale entry, and you can mention the particular mobile number of that particular customer, and your entire detail of that party name will reflect. You can select the mechanic name also, and you select the item. So if you're going to sell one quantity, if you press enter, then it will show the stock accordingly, brand wise, model wise. So you can select any of the brand from where you are going to adjust your stock, or you're going to sell your product. So if you press OK button, your entire detail will get reflect. Your price, your amount, your taxation detail, each and everything will get reflect in the transactions. Now, if you click on the save button, your settlement box will appear. If the customer is going to pay you in cash, you can put the amount in cash. If you say that no customer is going to pay me on UPI, if you press 0 over here, the entire amount will reflect on the UPI box. If you press 0 over here, it will get reflect on your another card box. Okay. Or you can take half the amount in UPI, or you can take certain amount in UPI and certain amount in card. So you can do in this way also. Or you can take the payment in the different mode of on different settlement mode also. If you press yes, from here you can get an option to print your invoice. If you click on the preview button, you can see the invoice format where you can set your company logo. Also, you can get this entire detail like the item name. Under the item name, you will get the brand name, the car name, the model name. It's also showing over here. So the invoice format is configurable. You can configure the entire invoice format according to your need. Similar way, if you need to share the invoice along with the through email or SMS, if you click on the SMS button, then if you click on this SMS, you will get an option to send the SMS through WhatsApp also. If you select WhatsApp, you can mention the WhatsApp number, or the WhatsApp number will get picked automatically according to the party that you are going to select in the transaction. So let's say, for example, I'm mentioning one WhatsApp number. If you click on the send button, then your web WhatsApp will get highlight. You have to make sure that your web WhatsApp should remain login on the backend, so that once you click on the send button, your web WhatsApp should get maximized and the information should get reflect on the particular mobile number of the particular party. That means I have mentioned the mobile number of this party, so automatically my party name has been selected in the WhatsApp. My message has been written automatically. Along with that, I am also sharing the link file through which the party can download the invoice. So if I click on this only send button, here you will get the link of the invoice format. If I click on this link, or if the customer click on this link, the customer can easily get the invoice in PDF mode. So this is how you can share your invoice in WhatsApp as well as in email also. If you click on this email, then you can also get the option to send it via email also. So you can also see that the email ID has been already picked automatically. So it's also already mentioned in the party detail, where you can see that I have mentioned the email ID, that is rahulsharma@gmail.com. So that has been picked automatically while clicking on the email option. So once you do the sale entries with the basis of brand model, some item may be maintained in serial number also. Let's say, for example, if I'm going to sell any item which having certain serial number, I can select the mechanic name also, through which or on the reference of which I'm going to sell the serial number. So for example, I'm providing or I'm selling an item. Just for example, I'm selling this item called battery. Okay, so if I'm going to do a sale entry, a fresh sale entry, where I'm selecting the another mechanic name, and I'm selling the battery. Now, if you select or you mention one quantity, if you are going to sell one quantity, here all the serial number by stock is going to appear. So this serial number is coming because I have purchased this material on the basis of serial number. So that's why serial number by stock is coming, and also my warranty month is showing. How this warranty month is showing? Because in the item master, whenever I created that item, I mentioned the serial number. Once I enable the serial number, once I save this here, I am getting an option to mention my sale warranty as well as my purchase warranty. So if I am going to purchase any item with the serial number, so let me show you the purchase entry first. Let's say, for example, I have purchased a item having a serial number. That's, for example, this is the purchase entry where I have purchased an item which having a serial number. If I mention 5 piece, then 5 serial number box will appear. Or if I need to manage that, then you can see that your 5 serial number boxes appearing where I can mention my serial number. If I click this enable barcode reading, then I can scan the serial number to pick it automatically from the barcode scanner. Okay, so you can use this barcode reading system also to pick the serial number through barcode scanner. So this will appear in your stock. So once you are going to sell these items, the serial number by stock will reflect. So if I'm going to sell this item, And I can see that here my brand wise detail is also coming. Along with that, my serial number is also coming. So if I want to maintain both brand model along with the serial number for this particular item, then I can enable both parameters and serial number for this item. So I've enabled both the parameters and serial number for this item. So that's why my brand name is also coming. Along with that, my serial number box is also appearing. So I can select any of the serial number to what serial number I'm going to sell. So it's if I save this, I can get the print of my serial number in my invoice also. So you can see my serial number is also coming. That is BH B2H002. This is my serial number. Under that, the brand name, the car name, and the model name is also coming. So now, if I go to get to see the report along with the according to my serial number and parameter wise, or you can say brand wise. So I can get it from serial number wise report. If I want to see the warranty detail of that particular serial number, I can get from this report, item serial number history. So here I can mention the serial number, and if I press OK over here, I can get the entire detail for that particular serial number, that this serial number has been purchased in this date. This was the warranty month, and I have sold this serial number on this date. This is the warranty period and the warranty date. Is it under warranty or not? It also showing the status that yes, it is under warranty. So if I'm going to give any service against this item to any customer, then I can check out that whether the item is under warranty or not. Or if I'm going to replace this item, then I can check out whether this item is under warranty or not. Similar way, if I want to see the stock brand wise, model wise, I can get it through parameter wise report. Or you can do one thing, you can simply manage this on the favorite option also. You can you can convert this in the favorite options. You can take this report on the favorite options, and you can get it from here also. You can easily change the caption name. I have already changed the caption name to brand and model wise in inventory to get the report in the easiest way. How I have done it, let me show you. If I want to say the report, the detailed report, I can click on this add to favorite button, and I can easily change the caption name. I want to change the caption name to brand and model wise. Okay, if I press save button, then it will show, already it's showing that this menu has been already added in the favorite. So I've already added it, so it's showing in this here, brand and model wise. So from here, if I want to see the detail of a group of item or a particular selected item, if I select group of item, and here if I want to select one go down wise, or if I want to select all go down wise, then I can select all MC. And if I want to select the group name, whatever group of items stock I need to see, I can select the group name. Against that, I can get to see the item along with the brand name, the car name, the series name, or you can say the model name, and also the opening quantity, in quantity, out quantity, and closing quantity. So you can also see the report in multi-zooming mode. If you double click over here, it will show you on the stock ledger also, or you can see parameter wise stock ledger report also. If you press enter, it will show that this brand or this model has been purchased in this date with this 5 piece, and it has been sold in this date. If you double click over here, it will simply move to you on the entry screen or in the sale entry screen. If you press escape, it will come backward. So you can easily zoom your report. Similar way, if you need to see the collection report, means at the end of the day, if you need to get the report that how much amount I've collected in cash or how much amount I've collected in card, then you can get this collection report also from here. Okay, so if you click on this all settlement detail, so you can get this. If you press OK, you can get the entire information that this bill has been collected in card, this bill has been collected in cash. So I've changed the caption name to collection report. This report comes under this display options. Under display option, you will find an account summary called settlement detail. So I've changed this caption name to collection report after clicking on this add on favorite button. So this settlement detail and this collection report are equal, are same. So you can get it from here also, from the favorite, or you can get it from this display account summary settlement detail also. So these two report are equal report that you can get it from display screen also, or you can get it from the favorite screen also. Also, there are mechanic wise commission report. That means salesman wise commission. You can get it from display options also. If you need to see the salesman wise report, commission report, you can go to commission calculation. You can see sales purchase. From here, you can select one mechanic So you can easily change the salesman caption into mechanic. So if I select on this mechanic, and if I want to see the mechanic wise commission report, I can get to see that how much commission is has been provided to that mechanic for particular bill. These are the bill number, and this is the commission amount that has been provided against that particular bill to that mechanic. So if I need to make an account posting for this mechanic, I can press F4 button to generate account posting for this mechanic. And if I need to manage MC by stock, that is go down by stock. I having multiple go downs, and I'm going to transfer the stock from one go down to another go down. So I can use the stock transfer through which I can easily manage to transfer the material from one go down to another go down. Okay. So after transferring this stock from one go down to another go down, or if I want to see the go down by stock, I can get it from MC by stock report. That you can also get it from display option, stock status report, closing stock alphabetical, and columnar. Columnar means in single screen you will get entire go down by stock. You click all items, you press OK button, then you will get item wise go down by stock. So here two go down, one is main store and another is go down name. So whatever item is available in main store and what quantity is available in go down, it will show on the go down column and in the main store column, and the total will show in the total stock column. Now, if you want to get other reports, like say for example profitability report, as I was discussing in the PPT, that every business holder need to get an analysis that whether they are going to make certain profit for against the particular item or not. So for that you can get the profitability report, which is also available under display. Okay, if you go to display, if you go to MIS report, you will get this profitability report from the MIS report also. Click on this, here you will get item wise or bill wise or party wise. If you click on this item wise, you can select any of the item, or you can select all item to get the entire profitability report for all the items. If you press OK, then you will get to know that which item has been purchased in which amount, or what is the cost price and what is the selling price, and how on which amount you have sold the item, or you have reduced the item, or you have issued the item on which amount, whether it is in profit or loss. It will also show the GP ratio. So amount in is the cost amount, and amount out is the sale amount on which you are going to sell the product. Okay, so this is all about the profitability report item wise, then you can get from Busy to get it analyzed, that whether you are going to make any profit or loss for the particular items. Quotation, order, challan. So this is a billing cycle. That means that this is a entire cycle. If anybody need to manage this cycle, whether if anybody says that I would first record a sales quotation from my customer, then I can go to sale quotation, I can press add button over here. Okay, and I can select the party. Let's say ABC is a customer, is giving a quotation to me for this item. Okay, if I select the brand name, I select the card name, if I press OK button, I have converted this into sale quotation. Now if I want to pick the sale quotation in my sale order, so you can go to sale order, press add button. I will simply select the same party and I will press F11. F11 is the shortcut key to pick the quotation or to convert the quotation in order. If I press OK, the entire amount quotation detail will reflect in the order. Now here may be a certain scenario that you may getting a quotation of 2 piece, but you are going to generate an order for 1 piece. Then you can easily change the quantity in the order also. So the remaining quantity will be the pending quantity in the quotation. Okay, so once you save the order will get generated. You can pick that order in the delivery challan also, which may be done from this material issue to party. So if you press add button, you will get an option to type called sale challan. You can select sale challan, you can select the party, and you can press F11 button to pick the order also. So once you click on this order option, then the order will get converted into challan. Okay, and that challan can be picked in bill also. So once you save it, if you convert this in challan and you want to pick this challan in your invoice, then you can go to sale and you can select the type called against challan. Now it is fixed, I can't change because I have been configured it in the pause. So if you make it semi-variable or variable, then you can easily change it. If I go to pause configuration from here also, and I said that I want to make it semi-variable so that I can change it. Now if I move on to the sale once again, I can pick my cursor in the type and I can select against challan. Then I can select the party and then I can press F11 button to pick the challan. Okay, so this is how I can also convert the challan in my invoice also. So this is the entire billing cycle can be done through busy from quotation to your invoice. Now, pricing structure. Mostly different business may having different pricing structure. There may be a wholesale price, there may be a retail price, there may be a dealer price, there may be end user price or discount. Okay, so to manage the multiple pricing structure, you can go to your administration configuration features and options. In inventory, you can enable this feature called item pricing mode, which is called party item pricing discount structure. You enable this feature and you save the configuration. Once you save the configuration, you can get this option under configuration called party item price structure. You can click on this sale button and then you can select the group. If you select sundry debtors and you can click on this down arrow button, so your item group will appear here. I have mentioned group wise discounting. So whatever item belongs to body parts group, for that item the discount will reflect as 4%. Okay, no matter whoever party, the party may be under sundry debtor. So if I going to do a transaction of sale with the ABC party, call ABC, which is customer, which is under sundry debtor, and I select any of the mechanic, I select the item. So you can see my this item belongs to a group called transmission part. So for transmission part, my discount come 6%. So it's picked directly from the pricing structure. Let me show you the pricing structure where you can find out that I have mentioned 6% for this transmission group of item. So the transmission I have mentioned 6%. So that's why the 6% was coming in the sale module. Similar way, you can manage your sale price accordingly group wise, or if you need to manage on the basis of item wise or party item group wise, so you can easily do it. You can enable this feature called party group item wise or party item wise, and you can maintain discounting or pricing structure on the basis of party wise also. So these are the reports that you can maintain, and as I show you the serial number wise stock, if you need to get the serial number wise stock, you can get it from display option also. And from display you can get the serial number by stock, that which serial number for which item is under stock or under go down, or is there any serial number available in the go down. So these are the serial number for this particular item which is available that you can sell out in further. Okay, so it will show you the serial number that is available in the go down. Similar way you can get the brand and the model wise stock also through this parameterized closing stock report. Okay, so along with that, if you need to get the warranty tracking, so you can get it from warranty tracking also, where you can mention the serial number and you can get the entire history of that particular serial number. So these are the power features, or you can say these are the unique features that will help the auto spare parts industry to easily manage their inventory and to manage their inventory in a proper way and in a detailed way also. So that's all from my side. I have explored the entire features and the reporting related to the auto spare parts industries or auto spare business industries. So